Welcome to this video that takes you into the world of modern art filled with color and expression. In this project, we feature black and red tape in stunning visuals with slow-motion movements that highlight every detail of the body's movements. This art project was presented during Miami Swim Week, an event known for its creativity and innovation in the worlds of fashion and art. Black and red tape are not just ordinary materials, but elements used to create extraordinary patterns and shapes, providing a dynamic and dramatic impression. Each movement is performed with grace, showcasing the harmony between body art and the tape design that wraps around it. In slow motion, we see how the tape transforms, shaping contours and silhouettes that create unique visual beauty. This project is not only about aesthetics, but also about self-expression and honoring the body as a medium for art. We invite you to look deeper into how black and red tape can tell a story full of meaning, color, and captivating energy. Watch how slow motion adds depth to every detail, transforming something simple into an extraordinary work of art. This is a representation of art full of imagination and creativity, encouraging you to see the world from a different perspective. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more innovative art projects.